Hi there, welcome to Home Cooking with Crystal. I'm Crystal, and today we are diving into a mouth-watering recipe that's perfect for any occasion: mutton chops. This dish is all about rich flavors and tender meat. I can't wait to show you how to make it right at home. So let's get started. Now let's take a look at what we'll be using to make our delicious dish. We've got 500 grams of mutton chops, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 lime, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 3 tablespoons of corn flour, some breadcrumbs, 4 medium-sized potatoes, and a handful of coriander leaves. These ingredients are going to come together to create something truly delicious. So let's start with the marinating process. We'll add all the spices and the ginger garlic paste to the mutton chops. Mix them all together really well, making sure each chop is nicely coated. Now we leave that to marinate for 30 minutes. While that's marinating, let's get the potatoes boiling. Alright, the marination time is up. Let's heat some oil in a pan to fry the mutton chops. Once the oil is nice and hot, we'll add the chops and fry them for about 10 to 15 minutes, making sure to keep mixing them. And don't forget to add the lime juice. It really brightens up the flavors. After 15 minutes, we'll add half a bowl of water. Cover the pan with a lid and let it cook on medium flame for another 20 minutes. Make sure to stir it occasionally so that the chops cook evenly on all sides. As you can see, the water has dried up and the chops are cooked perfectly. Now, let's peel the boiled potatoes and mash them. We'll add half a teaspoon of salt, some finely chopped coriander, and half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix it all together until smooth. Next, we'll make a corn flour batter by adding some water. Make sure the batter is just the right consistency, not too thin or too thick. Now we can proceed to cover the chops with the mashed potatoes. Be gentle so the mashed potatoes don't fall off the chops. Once that's done, dip each chop into the corn flour batter and then coat them with breadcrumbs. We are almost there. Let's add one small bowl of oil into the pan and heat it up. Once the oil is hot, we'll add the chops and fry them until they are golden brown on both sides. And there you have it, perfectly golden brown mutton chops, crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. I hope you enjoyed following along with this recipe. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Home Cooking with Crystal for more delicious recipes just like this one. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more of my favorite dishes with you next time. Happy cooking!